Hey guys, it's Jeff, and today Apple, after 3 days of having the official release of iOS 13.1, just released iOS 13.1.1. So we've had iOS 13, iOS 13.1, and now a second version of iOS 13.1, that being adding that point 1 after, just in the past 2 weeks. So things are getting really interesting, and we are going to go ahead and check out what's new in iOS 13.1.1. So let's go ahead and check out what's new in the changelog, because Apple did put a lot of information there, and this update coming in at only 108.2 megabytes for my iPhone 11 Pro Max just tells us that we're not really looking at major features or major visual changes. We're purely looking at what we should be seeing as far as a functionality perspective. So if you take a look at the changelog, Apple looks like they have changed quite a few things here for the iPhone 11 lineup. So they fixed issues that could prevent iPhones restoring from a backup, addresses an issue that could cause battery to drain more quickly, and that was really for all of the newer devices. It also fixes an issue with Siri recognition for the newer devices, resolves a problem with Siri search, and also fixes some reminders and also some keyboard, like third-party keyboard and apps and everything like that. Now, the two major things that I took a look at was the battery drain and then also Siri recognition. Siri recognition for the newer devices I did not have a problem with, but I did have a problem with battery drain on my iPhone XS Max. I haven't had any with my 11 Pro Max, but on the XS Max I did have some pretty severe battery drain, and I know a lot of you guys commented on our last video saying that you guys as well had some battery drain issues as well. So if you have those battery drain issues, this is the update for you guys. I definitely would recommend updating. It looks like these are just to fix a couple of bugs here and there that we're seeing in iOS 13.1. It doesn't look like this is it covering like any jailbreak exploits or anything like that. So yeah, this is a pretty simple update, and I think that this will solve a lot of your issues if you were having them on iOS 13.1. Now, let's take a look at some other things that have changed. We got a new build number here, and the new build number is 17A854. And as I went throughout the entire kind of scouring iOS 13.1.1, I actually didn't find any new features or anything like that. I did find an improvement on the new features that we have been seeing and an improvement on functionality as well. So one, haptic touch seems to be working just a little bit faster. I wish it would work just that little bit faster so it can kind of replicate what we were seeing with the Force 3D Touch on the iPhone XS Max, but it seems like haptic touch is working just a little bit better on these newer devices. Number two is we are seeing a much better kind of recognition of share audio. Share audio for the control center is showing up just a little bit faster and more consistently now. Before in iOS 13.1, it wasn't really showing up consistently. I noticed that I had to completely restart my device to get it to show up, but that whole functionality is working perfectly fine now, and it is a lot more consistent. So I'm really glad to see that. Now, the third thing was Face ID, and the Face ID feature is working a little bit faster here. I noticed that over iOS 13, the updates for iOS 13.1 and now iOS 13.1.1 have definitely improved the Face ID recognition, specifically for the newer devices. It's working a lot faster, and I'm really, really pleased with that. So guys, as a whole of iOS 13.1.1, I'd say it's a definitely, go and update as soon as you can if you were having any issues on iOS 13.1. If you are not having any issues with iOS 13.1, there's no new features. There's not really anything new to check out UI wise. I just stay on iOS 13.1 just to make sure that you don't have any issues pop up in iOS 13.1.1. Now, we did run a few speed tests, battery tests as well, and for me, I just really didn't see anything worth mentioning here. But the battery test on the iPhone XS Max did a lot better here in iOS 13.1.1, and that was our trouble device specifically with battery life. So that's some great news for all of you guys who were experiencing battery life issues. Battery life performance is definitely on the rise here. But as far as speed, opening apps and everything like that, going throughout the UI of iOS 13.1.1, everything pretty much remains the same. I'm not going to hype anything up that really hasn't happened here. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoy this update. If you have any comments, questions, or anything like that, please leave those in the comment section down below. If you have anything that you found, or maybe you want to share your experience on iOS 13.1.1, definitely comment those in the comment section down below. And you can also share with our Discord group on Discord and share your experiences, maybe get some insight on these updates as well. So a link for that will also be in the video description down below. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you guys are having a great experience on iOS 13 so far. And yeah, I thank you again for watching this video. Hopefully I'll be seeing you guys in some upcoming content. Make sure to leave a like on this video. Make sure to get subscribed and hit that bell button so you'll get updates for those future videos that I was just talking about. So anyways, guys, again, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll be seeing you in some upcoming content. Peace.